if you've ever gotten out of bed in the morning, and I can probably guess that everyone has, and gone, what am I doing here? Is this all there is? Is this what I'm meant for? Is this it? You ever had a moment like that? I know you have. That's the perfect time to listen. That's what that moment is for. That moment is for you to get still and hear that inner guide. Our divine inner guide comes as a still, small voice. Now, the process of hearing that voice is often hampered, right? It's hampered by the external noise, the external world, and all of that noise. Our jobs, relationships, expectations of daily life, stress, all those things that go on constantly. As we silence the external noise, we awaken our ability to hear and to tune in to that inner voice. And that fosters a deeper connection with ourselves through the act of stillness. And awakening that inner voice encourages us to silence those distractions just for a moment. And yet, even when you feel like you've got a moment of peace, a moment of clarity, you get sucked back into life, right? You get right back into it, into that maze. How do we navigate those mazes of our life? It's like a labyrinth. The image of a labyrinth is a fitting metaphor for our travels into our inner silence. So this is a downshot of the Unity Labyrinth. About this time last year, a group from the church went on a retreat to Unity Village. We walked that labyrinth together. It's 90 feet in diameter. It covers over 6,000 square feet. It's 3/4 of a mile in and out. And when you start, at the starting place, there is the Unity wings. So it's really, really cool. With each twist and turn, when you walk a labyrinth, with each twist and turn, sometimes you're at odds with someone else. Isn't that a metaphor for life? You're going this way, they're going that way. Sometimes you're walking a labyrinth and you're over here and you're going, but I need to be over there. The center's there. How do I get there? You keep walking those twists. You keep walking those turns till you get to the core. That is that metaphysical pathway that we all seek. This year, our retreat is at the Osage Forest of Peace, as you heard Emma Kate talking about. There's a small labyrinth there too. So this is the actual. It kind of looks like a hinge. It's like a stone hinge. This is a stone labyrinth at the Osage Forest of Peace. It's small. It takes about 10 minutes. But I want to tell you that even small steps can be powerful. There's a technique that you can use when you walk a labyrinth. There are several techniques, but this is the technique that I like. As you walk a labyrinth, you ask for inner guidance. You ask, what do I need to release at this next turn? What do I need to let go of at this next turn? And then as you make that turn, you just affirm, I release and I let go. Now, what's really amazing is that at every instance, every time I've walked a labyrinth, there will be things that come up in me that I didn't even know I was still holding on to. I didn't even know that pain was still there. I didn't even know that regret. I didn't even know that anger. And it's like every time you just go, what is it, Spirit, I need to release? I turn and I affirm that release. It is so powerful, and I'm so excited that we're going to do that together on our retreat. It's powerful healing for us to follow that trail. And you have that opportunity coming up on May the 4th at the Osage Forest of Peace. It's small, it's powerful, little steps matter.